Hi, Austin. Welcome to day 4 of Austin Startup Week. I'm so excited to have you here at the bonus track. It's going to be a fabulous day. We've got 3 sessions and amazing speakers, so stay tuned. You're going to love it. Before we get started, I wanted to introduce myself and share why I'm excited to be your MC for the day. I'm Brittany Ballard. I have been helping out with Austin Startup Week for several years now. I love the startup community, and I'm so excited about the sessions that we have on the bonus track today. So from Korean startups to learning more about the Texas Triangle and mentoring youth entrepreneurs, we have amazing topics. So stay tuned. We'll have networking in between sessions today, so you can meet other attendees and get to know your fellow attendees better, and make sure to stay engaged. So we will see you back here at 9:15. Thank you.